In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your WordPress database on Cloudways. Let's dive right in and get started with this straightforward guide that will have you navigating your database with ease in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to head over to the Managed Cloud Hosting platform, also known as Cloudways. This platform simplifies the hosting experience, making it very user-friendly. So open up your web browser and go to the Cloudways website. Once you're there, the next step is to log in. You'll find the login option usually at the top right of the screen. Click on it and enter your credentials. If you've misplaced your details, don't forget there's always a forgot password option to get you back on track quickly. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Cloudways dashboard. This is your central hub for all the applications and server management tools that Cloudways offers. Next, look for the My Applications section. It's an easy to spot tab on the dashboard. Clicking on My Applications will take you to a list of all the applications currently hosted on your Cloudways account. Now go ahead and select Applications. This will narrow down your database options, providing a clear path to the application you need to access. Here you'll see each application listed with various management options. The key area you want is hidden behind the Access Details button. Click on Access Details to reveal all essential information related to your selected application. At this point, you're very close to reaching your WordPress database. The next step involves clicking on the Admin panel. This panel is where the magic happens, providing you direct access to all the critical features and settings for your WordPress installation. By clicking on this, you'll gain administrative control, enabling you to view, manage, and edit your database as needed. And there you have it. You've accessed your WordPress database on Cloudways in just a few simple steps. Remember, working with databases can influence how your website functions, so always proceed with caution and ensure you have backups in place before making changes. Cloudways provides a robust and easy to navigate platform that ideally suits developers and everyday users alike, making it an excellent choice for hosting and managing your WordPress sites. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials on navigating web hosting platforms and optimizing your WordPress sites. Until next time, happy managing.